Hey guys, it's MS Dozer 13 here, and we're online. We're gonna play some zombies. I got Scooby and H-Man, and we're gonna be wrecking on Dead Ops Arcade. So, alright. So when are we starting? Are you ready? Alright, hold up. My mic's going off for this. Alright, so let's go. Yeah, it is. There's a window. Yeah. It is not window. It's true. The only thing is, the reason why it might be breaking is because it's not the same controls as those are. Cool. Yeah, I think it. Wait. Yeah. I'm ready. This is gonna be way easy. So, as you can tell, this is freaking so easy. And it's freaking nice. So, we're gonna try to survive as long as we can. And it should be pretty easy. So, last one time. So, like, the good thing about Dead Ops Arcade is that it's all the guns are automatic, like the kind of like the spaz and everything like that. So, pretty nice. I'm gonna have to stop before like after 10 minutes, like let's say 12, 13 minutes. I'm gonna have to stop the video, and then I'll resume it again. So, check what time it is. Alright, so it's been 4 minutes. Alright. So, like, the rounds get harder and harder as you go because, like, they don't get harder, it's just more zombies come than regular original. So, it's an alright game, I guess. And, yeah. So, we're kind of wrecking fast right now because we're keeping fast. It should be easy. I don't understand this freaking gorilla, dude. He never dies. So we just passed round 5, now we're on round 6. Yeah, the way it gets harder is just more zombies come. And they, like, in bigger freaking packs. So, H-Man got the car again. He did have it. Oh shit! Almost died, not paying attention. That's right, I am. Get all that stuff right there. So, not really popular. Oh, shit. Stress. Like the electric things, if zombies get them in and you get in them, then you get that. On 7. So, I guess, I don't know how many rounds are here. I think it's just unlimited, like regular zombies, but I'm not sure. It's harder in the dark too because like the zombies blend in and shit. That's what I have. So I got 2 nukes. I got 1 life left. Stuff like that. Got all this stuff. I think this is harder than everything else because these zombies are freaking like hard to kill. Like, you did a fucker for me. So I officially have no more lives, so I cannot die. Or be over and have a day. Enjoy this shit. Come on, you can get down and get that shit on. H-Man is dead. So we got the sentry gun up here. That's a good thing. Keep our zombies away from us. Like, it's kind of hard to keep track of who you are, too. Shit! Well then, I died. Okay. Hope I come back next round.
fucking me. I hope I come back. And back up. Oh, whoa. Alright, so we need to back up. I get confused sometimes with zombies too. Right, so we have to go this way. No. Alright, no. Where the fuck am I? Oh, come on, how did I die? Back it up. Oh, monkey grenade. Tank. Oh shit, how the hell did you get that before I did? I gotta watch my back. Fucking zombies will be fucking gnawing on it. Oh, shit. There we go. Yeah, I'll get him. Sleepy crawlers. The fuck? I've never done this before. This is fucking gay, dude. Fucking monkeys. Oh, whoa. Yeah, tank, motherfucker. Boom. Oh, suck it. Suck on my tank. Oh! Fucking monkey, the shit out of me. God damn it, why can't I ever get those? Alright, so we need stay alive and shit. Because this is the farthest I've ever made it. Oh, no! Fuck! Yeah, we died. We all died. Yeah, we need to get to round 14. So, turn back on my link. Oh, shit.